Itherapy ayidingwa yimina, idinga uyena kahle kahle.
Lapha kwaMthombeni kusafunakala i-forgiveness.
Kahle kahle sengididekile. Asikwazi ukuba ile family engifuna sibe yona.
Akasayi-understand i-structure se-family ukuthi sinjani.
How's your relationship as the wife of Ubaba Mseleko?
Sihlala iminyaka eminingi singazwani.
Anginama-grudges nawo, number 1. Uwomunye umuntu angasiyena kimi.
I doubt isiza ukuthi usesilimaze kangakanani trying to push lentalo bethu umbono wakhe.
Ebudeni bendlela kube khona le division yethawula ngiliphosile when it comes to cabanga ukuthi I'm trying alone. So kuyasinda ke.
Umuntu owenza ngingahambi kahle uyena uMseleko.
What if this is the end of everything?
I don't think anything is working out, Kamseleko. I really don't think anything is working out because akukho ukulungiswa and alikho iqiniso and everyone usesenama grudges and they are holding on past. I understand past vele guys angeke idlule, but everyone is just holding on past. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. So this week Kuthando Nesembu, the wives had a one-on-one session with a therapist, and mabakhuluma you can hear ukuthi kusesene unhealed trauma or ama-wounds uMseleko akhe wawa-creator as uMangwabe asho ukuthi kuningi okwenzakale emuva and they can't just bakhansele okwenzakale emuva. You can see uMseleko ngekathi uMakhwela engena, he was so arrogant. This is not the first wife uqala ukukhuluma lento lena ukuthi uMseleko kuthe makungena uMakhwela waqale waba arrogant, and being arrogant kwakhe kunimazi abafazi bakhe kakhulu. And yena akafuni ukuzwa lelo side, ufuna ukuzwa iside lokuthi okay guys, why ke nina ningamsupport uMakhwela ngoba uMakhwela sengimthathile mina bengifuna vele ukuthatha umfazi wokusi5 nton. No, it's not about that. And I don't see ukulungiswa kule family guys. I don't see ukulungiswa. The best thing obeyingayenzeka la before baya kuma one-on-one session and bathatha uMseleko nama-therapist bahlala bonke, kumele uMseleko ucala ahlala nabo bonke and ask them ukuthi okay bafazi bami yini enimazile. This painting thing guys, I don't think izobasiza because bazopainta until forever. They won't, anyeke bakhiphe lento ephakathi enhlizweni yabo. If bekahlale nabo bonke wababuza ukuthi okay yini errong engiyenzayo, yini enifuna ngiyilungise kanjalo kanjalo, you can see abafazi bakhe bayasho ukuthi le vision athi uyayifuna ayibonakali, kwayena uyayixova le vision athi uyayifuna. I don't even think uMakhwela would ever meet labafazi laba. I don't think so. Angeke bahlangane guys, and ayikwazi kuphela ishow guys singambonanga uMakhwela ihlangana nabafazi, bazobe basikweleta kakhulu. So nina guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.